Welcome to Sweeper 2023 October test. I'm going to take you to a website. I'm using Google Chrome. I'm going to miert.gorse.ca. At this website, we're going to go to Sweeper 2023, and that automatically brings up the page we want. When you download and open the Sweeper October 2023.exe, Windows Defender will warn you because it is an executable file. It contains two files, a .html and a .text. That's the two we need for WinLink Express. So the window will pop up and it'll say Windows protects your PC, and you're looking for more info. It's got an underlined or underscore which you want to click on. It will bring up the Windows protected your PC. It's going to tell you which file it is, Sweeper October 2023.exe. You're going to click on Run Anyways, then it'll bring up this self-extracting archive window, and it will extract it automatically into the correct folder. When you click Extract, it will extract the two files and put them in that folder. As you see here, it did. It's in the RMS Express Global Folders Templates. We have the .html and the text file that's required. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and I'm going to actually execute this. I'm going to click on the Sweeper file. It says it's downloaded. I'm going to click on the Sweeper file. And it says Windows will protect your PC. And we're looking for that more info. I'm going to click on it. It changes to Windows Protect Your PC, Sweeper October 2023.exe. We want to go Run Anyways. And it's going to extract it into this folder. So I'm going to bring up that folder right now. And that will be in my C drive. So I can just go right there and do C:/ and RMS Express. And there's RMS Express. I can go to the global folders and templates. Now I'm going to delete these and show you how it works. By hitting the self-extracting, I'm going to hit Extract. And you see they reappeared there. Go to the website, follow the instructions, download the files, and it's there. Then I'll bring up WinLink Express. I will go to Message, New Message. Now I have already put in some favorites, but I'm just going to go the long route, select Template, go to Global, go to Sweeper October 2023.txt, which will bring up the HTML file. There's the HTML file, and like it was before, you just can either type the call sign in, you can select a call sign from the list. If you were sending it carbon copy to others using a WinLink message to a RMS tri-mode station, you can pick multiple call signs. You can erase it by reset all, or you could, if I didn't want Strathcona Regional District, I could click on it, it'll remove them, and I could go to Ucluelet and remove their call sign, or I can hit reset all. In this case, I'm going to pick Strathcona Regional District. I'm going to make it a WinLink message. My default in WinLink is peer-to-peer, so it's going to automatically put it into a WL2K message. It's going to put in the exercise information. If it's a real event, it would be no duff. And sent by HF data, we want it to be a WL2K. I'm going to put it as a priority message. There's only one of me here, so I'll put in one. Type of equipment. I have a Pactor 4 modem, and I can pick any one of the messages. And if I have any comments, I can put comments in there too and submit. That will automatically move it to a WinLink message. It puts the call sign in automatically, P for priority. gives it a message number. That's a sequential number that I have set up. And then it's the MIERCT Sweeper October 2023. It puts the date and the time on the subject line, and it also puts it in the body of the message. It also says how it's sent. It's sent by HF data through the WinLink system to an RMS tri-mode. It'll tell you how many operators, what mode Pactor I sent it in, the exercise message, any additional comments. Example, if you had Pactor and you had Vera, you could put the comments in there or whatever comments, and an end of file, and this is the version number of this. And I would then, all I have to do is post to the outbox, start the session. Once the session initializes, so it's initializing my DR7400 and my Yaesu radio. It doesn't have my FTDX3000, but the FT2000 uses the same, the two different COM ports, same speed, and I'm ready to go. I could go to the channel and pick a US station or someone in Canada outside of the province. So for example, if I wanted to, I could pick, let's pick N7LEW, double click it. It automatically puts his call sign in, the center frequency, the dial frequency, and if you have your radio cat control working, this is the frequency that will be in the display. You're all ready to go. Click start and send your message. So hopefully that's been helpful for you. Hope you enjoyed that. 7-3 VE7 Echo Delta out.